Hello, friends! Are you ready to become a noun detective with me? Today, we're going to search for a very special kind of word, the noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. It's a naming word. Look closely. Here are a few examples of nouns. A person like a boy, a place like a rainforest, and a thing like a car. Can you think of a noun right now? Take a quick look around you. Now we will learn the kinds of noun. Look, we're at the park. I see a boy, dog, tree, ball, and a toy. These are common nouns, our first kind of noun. Common nouns are general names given to person, place, or thing. They are not specific, and they start with a lowercase letter. For example, boy is a common noun because it can be any boy. Park is a common noun because it can be any park. Let's have a quick challenge. I'll show you some pictures, and you shout out the common noun as fast as you can. Ready? Yes, it's a fish. Book. Pen, you got it. Mountain. Boy. And ball. That's right. Awesome. You found the common nouns. Now let's visit a library. This library's name is Maple Library. That's Mrs. Eleanor Liam and he's reading a book. The title of his book is Mr. Popper's Penguins. As we observed, instead of saying library, we say Maple Library. Instead of saying librarian, we say Mrs. Eleanor. Instead of saying boy, we say Liam. And his book, with the title of Mr. Popper's Penguin, are examples of a proper noun, the second kind of noun. Proper noun names a specific, single person, place, or thing and always starts with an uppercase letter. Let me tell you a story. One sunny morning, Brian took his dogs, Buddy and Timmy, to Happy Trails Park. They bought ice cream from Mama Rosa's ice cream cart. Brian smiled and said, "Thank you, Mama Rosa." Then he, Buddy, and Timmy played happily under the big tree. In our story, did you hear some special names? Brian, Buddy, Timmy, Happy Trails Park, and Mama Rosa. Those are proper nouns. Each one names someone or someplace specific. My name is Detective Fuzzball. I am a bear. Bear is a common noun and Detective Fuzzball is the proper noun. Now it's your turn. I'll say a word, and you shout out if it's a common noun or proper noun. Ready? School? Right. That's a common noun. Country? Correct. Common noun. Miss Martha? Yes, that is a proper noun. District dine? Yes, proper noun. Doctor? Right, that's common noun. Christmas? Yes, proper noun. River? Correct, common noun. Dumbo? Right, proper noun. Earth? You got it, proper noun. It's so fun watching you learn new things, noun detectives. Now, to practice your super skills, I've made a fun worksheet just for you. Check on the description box below. A noun is a name for things that we know. It tells about people, things, and places we go. Common is chair, dog, or ball on the ground. Proper is Jose, or Manila we've found. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more fun learning. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.